It's a bad man thing, yeah. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, His body baby, oh. Hey, His body baby, oh.
This is a video on how I made this curly wig. First, I started by stitching the closure onto the unit, well, onto the wig cap, you guys. And then I used some of the bundles and I pinned it to my mesh wig cap. Then I sewed it on, and pretty much I just sewed it all the way to the top. Now you will see me customizing it, you guys. I am plucking the parting area so it could be a little bit more realistic. And then after I finish plucking, I comb out the hair. And yeah, that's what you'll see me doing at this moment. And then this is all the hair that I had plucked out, you guys, from the parting area. And then this is the final unit. Yes, this is what you will see on my head in a couple of minutes. Alright.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to hit the red subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the bell. There's a little bell that's next to it. Don't forget to hit it so you can be notified on every video that I upload, you guys. I try to upload at least once a week. If you're a returning subscriber, you know I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Alright, now today's video I made a unit. I made a unit out of some curly hair that I have had, you guys. I've had this curly hair, I want to say at least 4 months. I've had it for 4 months. I got it from UNICE Hair, okay? So I got 3 bundles, 18, 20, and 22. And I also got a lace closure. And the hair is a natural dark color. And the hair type is a virgin Brazilian curly hair, deep wave. It has a natural tight curl pattern. So let me show you the unit, you guys. This is the curls. I made this into a wig, you guys. Look. Look at the inside. It's going to be a tutorial per se. This is more of me just showing you that I made a unit, you guys. Sometimes I buy wigs and other times I make them from scratch. And this is a unit that I made from scratch, okay? I made the bundles into a wig, you guys. Simple as that. I made the bundles into a wig. I don't want to tell you how long it takes me sometimes, you guys. It takes me like almost like 4 or 5 hours to make one unit. Okay? So yeah, but you know, I take my time. I take breaks in between, so it's all good. If you know anything about me and my channel, then you know that this is my journey to a beat face and beat hair, you guys, and improving my skills. So this is just me practicing and improving my skills and trying to rock a nice unit. And then I'm going to finish customizing it right here on camera for you so you can see how I get it from bundles to that completed look that you probably saw in my intro. So this is the inside of the unit. Alright, and I sewed it on. Again, I showed you the parting area. This inside part, I'm going to cut the black part out because I used a mesh dome cap, and I'm going to cut that part out so the lace can show. See, this is what I'm just cutting out, you guys. Just so you can see. This is what I'm cutting out. Okay, so now you see the inside is cut out, you see. And I take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest. Now, this is so I bleached my knots, but this is sort of like helping like with the tinting of the lace so it can match my scalp a little bit better. So I'm gonna try the unit on. This is not, the unit that I have on right now is not glued down at all. I just have an elastic band in the back. And so I'm gonna take this off. See, I can. Okay, so this is the unit as I first put it on, you guys. Alright, I haven't cut the lace off yet. Okay, but I'm going to cut it off in a second. So I'm just going to cut straight across, and then I'm going to come back and show you how it looks cut. Okay, so just give me a second. Okay, so this is how it's looking right now, and it's really snug. And also what I use is just a spray bottle with a little bit of conditioner and water, you guys. Just a little bit of conditioner and water. So you see, this is the side that has it wet with water and a little bit of conditioner, and this is the side that doesn't have it wet at all. And I'm going to use a little bit of my, I hope you guys can see this, my Miss Jessie's soft curls, jelly curls. I'm going to use a little bit of this to see if I can define just a little bit. See if I can define the curls a little bit more.
So no delay, by the end of the night she be wanting. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Oh Lord of His mercy, hey, His body baby, oh, hey,